Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover your Reddit account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a reddit.com and press enter. At the official web page of Reddit, you can see login button and sign up button. Click on log in. To get logged into your account, you need to provide your username and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged into your account. But for this video, we are going to recover our account password, so we will click on forgot your username or password. To reset your password, you need to provide your username and email address. Now provide your registered email address. Click on Reset Password. Here, Reddit will send a password reset link on your mailbox. You need to go to your mail and checking for the mail sent by the Reddit. At the very top, you can see a mail from Reddit. Click and open it. Click on Reset Password. Here, you need to provide a new password for your account. Retype your password for the confirmation. Here, if you click on the checkbox, then you will get logged out of all your browsers where your Reddit account is logged in. So click on the checkbox and click on Set Password. Your password has been successfully reset. To let you know, whenever you want to get logged into your Reddit account, you need to provide a new password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can recover your Reddit account password. Thank you.